Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am your instructor Adeel Suhail, and the course that is offer you in this semester financial accounting. Okay, the course code is the management 322, and the textbook that we will follow the financial and managerial accounting 17 to 18 edition is available in the market. ओके जी आप ये यू कैन परचेज इट इजीली एंड लाइब्रेरी में भी यू फाइंड सम बुक दैट रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, तो वहाँ से भी आप इसको जो है कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं, रीडिंग कर सकते हैं. फाइन, let's we start about the financial accounting, but we before starting the financial accounting, one more thing is important. This course will be we will apply this course, we will learn this course through the flip technology. What is the flip technology? First we discuss it about, maybe you people are already familiar. Many of you or some know about the flip technology. If not, if you have no idea about flip technology, don't worry. I will discuss first it. Basically, we find the different. One is a traditional education system, but flipped classroom. That's a new technique to for the learning. And that's a new technique that is basically a student can learn about the different activity. Okay, many education system, many educators have a good experiment with the idea of this flip classroom flip technology. So why it is important nowadays, and why everyone is talking about the that's your some courses, especially management sciences courses, should be come on a flip classroom techniques. Okay, so flip technology by definition है क्या, उसको हम देखते हैं. Flip basically that's the flipping the classroom involve easy to use, readily accessible technology to order the free class time from lectures. Normally in a traditional way, in the next slide, I will comparison in both technique in a flip technology plus in the traditional way, but it is a full of activity. Okay, that's a basically activity based class. Normally you are learn your from your teachers with the lectures. Normally your teacher will come and she will give the lecture 40 50 1 hours, give you a lecture different topic you covered. But in this flip technology, teacher will be already provided you a lecture, and you will listen these lectures, these video, and then you will when you will come in a class, you will discuss about this lecture. Okay, the main difference is thing like in the video lesson skills, whenever you will fall in a flip technology, you learn through the flip technology, you will already watch the video, you will already learn the topic, and you will exercise, and you have some idea in your mind, and then you will be shared in the classroom. When you will come, you will some practice, we practice the some questions, some idea that you will be shared. Okay, and some we applying some applications in the class, that will be a skillful. Main thing is that, okay, you can speak, you can learn, you can communicate in the classroom. Okay, just not listen the lecture of your teacher. You will uh, you can simply consider that you will teacher in your class. Okay, you become a teacher of your class. You will deliver that lecture when teacher will be asked you any topic. Okay, the difference again, like how you can learn about the topic, where you will find it. That's something basically in student learning material and resources at home. We are providing you some video lectures, some presentations, some videos, and on a Barani Institute LMS. Okay, as a student, you can find more information from the book. You can, like already I tell you people, financial and managerial accounting. That's a basic business decision by Jan Wands. Okay, by जैन और विलियम है, हैका है, ठीक है, 4 authors and different. So ये book you can follow it. It is also, I will upload this book on your LMS. You can download this book, and by reference of the chapter, by reference of the topic, you can read the book. You can read the lesson notes, and you will can help from the your video lectures, and also you can investigate, you can search your topic with the help of YouTube, your WhatsApp group, and any other technology technique from where you can easily prepare for your lecture before to come in the class. Okay, the main as I discussed before, the what is the comparison of a class time, how we will spend our time in the class. Okay, first thing is that normally in a traditional class, the activity in a classroom. First thing is that as a warm up activity and attendance time, as our lecture will be start, the like if your class will be start at a 8:30, at a 10 o'clock, at a 11:30, whichever the slot of your class. Uh, in the first 10 minutes, that's some thing related to your warm up activity. You come on a class and you can sit, and within a 10 minute, and we will attend mark the attendance as teacher will become. Okay, next 10 minutes, that's basically some time. Your teacher asks from last night homework, last lecture, that you will do in a, I guess, in a last lecture, last day, what you learn from the lecture. That's something a revision. Okay, we are reviewing the lecture. Teacher can ask from you people, anyone student. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes we consume in this in the last lecture, but then lecture of new lecture, new content will be start, and teacher take I guess 40 to 50 minutes of a new topic. And after that, teacher will guide you people, and you will be implement, you can independent practice if it is a numerical base. If it's a theoretical, then that's a different idea, teacher will share with you, and you also at the discussion time will share with your teacher. It is a whole basically strategy in a traditional classroom, okay, that already you are familiar, and you are basically spending your time in a class. But what we do in a flipped classroom, that's the most important thing that you need to be understand first. Okay, it is a basically again activity based, and what kind of activity we will do in a flipped classroom. First thing again, that's the same time warm up activity and attendance. Okay, we will take a first 10 minutes, you need to become in a class. After 10 minutes, maybe your attendance will be not marked. Okay, it is necessary you will become within as your class will be start, I guess. I'll 8:30 the time, 8:40 the maximum time in which you will come in a class. Okay, but in the 5 to 10 minutes you will become, and we will mark the attendance, teacher will mark the attendance. And second thing is that I will providing you a 50 to 20 minutes. What is the important of 50 to 20 minutes? Student will break into the, basically we will do in our flip classroom, we will break a student in a 5-member group. Okay, if you have a 50 student in your class is a 50, then we can make a approximately how many group, we can make a easily 10 group. Okay, and each group have a 5 members. Okay, they members are discuss their idea about the questions related to the video view at home. Basically you already view the video. Okay, you already watched the video, you already learned the your notes, and you already get a idea through the reading the, with the help of reading the book, whatever what material is providing you on a LMS, and you are on investigate, you get some question, you get some ideas to come in a class. But it is a basically at the home time you are doing it is independently. और कोई तो नहीं होगा ना, that time you are alone, you are watching the video at alone, I guess, and you will learn, you can read the book notes or normal notes alone. But when you come in a classroom, your teacher will providing you a 50 to 20 minutes for discussion. In a group, you will discuss the ideas what you learned in last night in a video. You will share with your friends. Okay, that's one point that you can get. Any other body tell the second point, third point, fourth point normally. But you have no idea about the question your teacher, which kind of question your teacher will ask from you. That's the main thing, because आप अपनी मर्जी से एक आइडिया लेके आ गए हैं, बट you have no idea what teacher will be asked. Question will be provided at the end of the lesson. Okay, it even in a lesson notes, a question will be 4 5 question will be provided. You people, you will learn and try to give the answer of this question in your mind. But as you will come in a class after 50 to 20 minutes, then when you will be discuss with your group, then teacher will randomly call anyone. 5 member, you have a, you are 5 member group, but teacher will be randomly call just one member, and you need to be present, your information, your ideas, one member only. Okay, in a group, in each group. Okay, that's basically a way in which you will be prepared to before to come in a class. You will discuss your ideas with your friend, and we will consume the 15 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes we will consume for the where student will come on a board, student will come on a dice and share their ideas about the related question, about the related queries, whatever teacher asks from you people. Okay, it is basically a way of a flip classroom. At the end, if a teacher will be find any issues, any problem, then he will maybe providing some guideline. And if you are doing an independent practice, a teacher will give you a 10 to 15 minutes and will be check your work are really you learn about this or not. Okay, it is basically a major difference between traditional classroom and a flipped classroom. Hope so you can understand easily what is the difference and how we will spend our time in the class, and how financial accounting course will be taught with you. Okay, that's the main difference that I want to share with you. And for the teacher perspective, assessment criteria, what will be the assessment criteria normally? It is a difficult thing, and the student have a normally have a question in mind how teacher will be give a grade us. Okay, that's something related to according to the flip technology, we find the diagnostic assessment. I mean to say, if you are before class, as I will tell you, log in and check if the student have viewed the video presentations found in activity lesson. Like if I am providing the video, and I will providing the link to before to come in a class, I will check. Maybe I will check it. How many students open this video? How many students watch this video? And how maybe I providing a open-ended question on this link. Okay, at the end of the watching the video, you can make your answer. Okay, you can give the answer online. Feedback you can providing, it may be depend. Okay, it is the first assessment where teacher will be check how many students watch the video, how many student listen, read the how many students are basically reading the lectures, how many students watching the video. Okay, second is the that's a formative assessment. Like when I will providing you a 50 to 20 minutes for your group discussion, the walking around the class, I will give you a maybe answer, I will guide you people, then I will observe how many students are doing discussion with each other. Reason is that only the student, number of the student can discuss the point, that are already view the video. वही बच्चे जो वीडियो देख के आए हैं, they are basically discuss, okay, but जो नहीं देख के आए तो it might be possible वो जो है discussion में participate ना कर रहे हो। तो second second thing is in a formative assessment is a 30 to 50 minute, as we decide the time of presentation when you will come on a dice. Teacher will be remarks about your presentation, how you will give the answer. It is a very necessary. Okay, it is a, your formative assessment. Okay, and the last is the summative assessment, that is related to randomly I can ask the quiz and independently practice work. At the end of the lecture, if I find a 10 to 15 minute, I take a quiz. Might be possible quiz can be taken on the first 10 minutes. Okay, it is a depend on me, on your teacher. Okay, and if I give you a question, independent practice self question, maybe providing you a workbook or homework manual, and some a short question I will tell you people, okay ji aap zara class mein isko attempt kare, and I will check how what are the your understanding. Okay, it is a numerical based question again, numerical based subject, accounting. I will providing you a workbook in a class. I will providing you a material of your lesson notes. I will providing a lecture, video lecture that you already watch the video and understand the concept. Then you come in a class and we will be communicate, we will be discuss, and you people are speak. Okay, the main thing is that you will be speak. You are you have applying your ideas, you will be practice your ideas, and you will become a skillful person. Fine, it is a basically technique that I want to share you people. Now in the next slide we will start our chapter first and the introduction of accounting. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.